This is Cassie. She hates uniforms, but I mean, who doesn't? Let's be real here. She's given up on trying to make uniforms look cute. Don't let this happen to you.
Hey guys! So I'm just gonna get this out of the way. Uniforms can be really frustrating sometimes, like really frustrating. And I'm guessing if you guys clicked on this video, then you probably feel the same way. Or you're just a subscriber. Hi, how are you? Anyways, I'll be showing you how you can make uniforms look as cute as you possibly can. But yeah, let's just go right into the video.
Okay, so I feel like there's a stereotype of people that wear uniforms that you're basically just wearing ugly things every day to school and you can't basically choose what you want to wear, and that's not necessarily true. So that's the reason I'm making this video. So if you have to wear a uniform or have a really strict dress code, it's not the end of the world. You can still make uniforms and really tough dress codes look cute. Okay, so the first tip I have for you guys, so basically not everyone's a morning person, so it's really hard to focus on both your hair and your makeup for school. So I suggest just focusing on one thing. Like if you have a really cool hairstyle, then maybe not wear so much makeup, but if you have like a simple hairstyle like this, then maybe you can wear a little bit more makeup. The next thing I suggest is if you tuck in your shirt, which I totally suggest you guys do, is to wear a belt because it just kind of looks weird if you don't. And I got this belt at Walmart, so it can be really inexpensive too. The next thing is to focus on your shoes because usually uniforms don't include shoes, so if you can find a cute pair of shoes to wear, then you're set. Sometimes if your pants are too big or if you just want to make it a little cuter, you can roll up the ends of your pants and it makes it look 10 times cuter. If your school allows it, maybe find like a cardigan like this gray one and then you can wear it over your polo shirt because it makes it look like a real outfit and it makes the outfit a lot cuter. This outfit is more like a summer outfit, so for days in the school year where it's a little warmer. And you can do like I said before to focus on one thing here, so I focused a lot more on my hair today and I think it looks really cute. If your school is really strict on skirt length, that's okay, just put some leggings under it. I found these really cute leggings at Shopko and it was only $10, so that's a bargain and you know your girl likes a bargain. If your school is strict on bracelets, then you can just wear a scrunchie because it's used as a hair tie but it's also super cute. If your school isn't as strict on dress code and it's really hot outside, then you don't have to wear leggings and it's still super cute. Another thing you can do is tuck your shirt into your skirt because then it just makes you look more put together. You can totally switch up your shoes. I just really like these shoes, so that's why I'm wearing them again. Another thing you can do if you want an extra accessory is to wear nail polish. So to recap, sure, uniforms are frustrating, but it's not the end of the world, and uniforms can be cute too.
And those are all the tips I have for you guys. If you liked this video or found it useful, don't keep your thoughts to yourself. Let me know by liking this video. And the comment of the day is, what do you guys think of my back to school series this year? Hashtag CASSCOOL 2018 is officially over. Rest in peace, guys. If you like this series, then share it to your friends, spread the word, tell as many people as possible. We are growing so fast in this back to school series, and I'm so proud of you guys. Let's see if we can do some more. I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers. We are literally so close. We got this, guys. So if you're a person out there wondering if you should subscribe or not, let me help you decide. Number 1, I post every single Sunday, so every Sunday you can be like, hey, Cassie's video just got uploaded. I should watch it. Number 2, you would help us reach 300 subscribers and I would be super, super grateful. Number 3, you would also be helping yourself because you would be joining a community, a family that would love to have you guys. Hopefully that helped you decide. Don't worry, subscribers, I did not forget about you guys. If you're already subscribed, go ahead and turn on the post notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And once you've done that, comment hashtag notification squad just so you know you did that. And if you did do that, then you might just get a shout out in my next video. The shout out of this video is this person. She's awesome. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel down below because she turned on her post notifications. But yeah, I think that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!